Alright, you guys, this is the double bed ocean view room, Disney Aulani Resort. We have the bathroom over here, shower, the toilet. Everything has a unique wood finish to give you the Hawaiian vibe. You walk in the room, you have two nice queen size beds. The quality is amazing, it's nice and soft. You have a nice big screen TV, coffee maker. Walk over here, you have a table to get some work done or eat some breakfast, whichever you please. And you walk out on your balcony, you have an amazing view of the entire water park that leads to the ocean. Kids are loving this view. The only thing is they wake up and say, "Is it time to go?" But it's a lovely room, you guys. It's enough space for a family of 5, and you'll enjoy your time here. All right, you guys, see you at the next one.